Man, oh man, I am so done getting blasted by political text messages, and apparently I'm not alone. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Now, many people are experiencing an influx of unwanted texts, often from campaigns they've never even supported. So how did you end up on these lists? Political groups often use voter registration records and data brokers to compile profiles of likely supporters. Every interaction you have online, such as liking a post or taking a survey, can contribute to your profile, making you a target for these texts. Now, unfortunately, the laws protecting you from these messages are very limited. And this may be surprising. The federal Do Not Call registry doesn't even cover political text. And while you can opt out by simply replying stop, that only works for specific numbers that texted you. And I've found that replying with the word stop only results in me getting inundated with more political texts I never asked for. You might find yourself playing whack-a-mole with different organizations, but don't worry. There are some effective ways to reduce those annoying messages. For example, if you keep getting texts from the same number, go ahead and block it. On your Android, open the Messages app. Tap on the conversation from the number you want to block. Select Block Number, or it might say Block Contact from the drop-down menu. Confirm the action by tapping Block again. Next, you can also report spam by forwarding unwanted text to 7726, which is the word spam. To do this, start by opening the scam text in your Messages app. Tap the phone number at the top of your screen, then long press the phone number until the word copy appears on screen. Tap copy and then go back to the text message. Next, with the scam text open, long press on the text. Then tap on forward. Tap the number 7726 and begin the new message with the scam text included. Click the send icon to send the message. You'll receive a text message from 7726. Reply to this with the phone number you copied earlier. In the reply field, long press until the option to paste appears on screen. Select paste so the number you copied earlier is pasted into the message. Then click the send icon to send the text message. You should receive a message in reply thanking you for recording the number. You'll also want to make sure to block messages from unknown numbers by adjusting your phone's settings. Open the Messages app on your Android. Tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. Select Settings. Then tap Block Numbers and Spam. Tap Block Numbers, and then from there you can type in the phone number you want to block. For those who want to go all out, you can get others to do the work for you by using a data removal service which can help minimize your online footprint. Most of all, never click on these links in these texts as they could lead to malware or scams. So the best way to safeguard yourself from malicious links that install malware and potentially access your private information is to have antivirus software installed on all your devices. More smart tips like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, go ahead and go to cyberguy.com on another browser. Click the red button and you'll get instant access for free.